Take two with Dan Wiesner. There was a little music in the place we were at before, so I wanted to move him over here. We're in the Bernheisel booth at the Northeast Racers Auction and Trade Show. Dan Wiesner ran Sportsman from 2000 to 2014. Along the way, he won 24 features at Atlanta Legends Raceway, a couple of championships, over 30 wins in his sportsman career. Came back and did modified in 16, 17, and 18. Won a race at Canandaigua, but has not raced since then. How you doing?
Doing good.
What are we doing here?
We are just browsing around, seeing what's new. We don't ever exclude never getting back into it, but you know, it might be a little bit. You know, the kids are getting older and busy, but kind of miss it. So we figure we come and touch base with what was going on and seeing people we haven't seen.
So that was one of the main reasons you got out, the kids' activities and stuff like that got busy?
They were into travel sports, and I didn't want to miss that stuff. So I put that off to, you know, get rid of my sport to go do their sports, and I love every minute of that.
Okay. So as we're here, are we just here to see everybody, or are we actually doing research?
I want to see what's new. It's been a while since I've seen, you know, the car designs and new products, so I figured I'd come see people and see the products.
Yeah, because you were a torsion bar guy when you ran, right? I was a
torsion bar guy. Just had a little bit of coilovers, but not enough with a full season to get used to it.
So. Well, we still had coilover shocks on the front end back then, didn't we?
Yeah, absolutely.
But we did not have, we had torsion bars in the back. So.
Mostly torsion bars in the back.
Okay.
Most of my experience.
Okay. So what would we think? What would be the factors that would make you go, okay, I'm going to get a car and come back?
Well, a couple of the kids want me to get back into it. We just don't have the time.
Okay.
Maybe if the time was there and things came around, I may come back if there was an offer. It's just, you know, the different chapter in life I'm enjoying right now. But
I get that.
I would never exclude the racing if the offer was there and I could get back into it.
Okay. So what would be the biggest thing that would have to happen to change that?
Probably just, you know, what's available to get back in and my time.
Okay.
You know, so I mean, I probably can't come back into it totally by myself, so I'd have to come up with some sponsor stuff and, you know, and support, and then have the time and help.
Yeah, because that would be...
It helps a big factor, because, you know, when you were younger, everybody had a girlfriend and had some time. Now everybody has wife and kids, which is great, but, you know...
No, I get it.
Different, you know, things have changed.
That's true. Life changes. How old are the kids now?
My daughter's 17 and my son's 14, going to be 15.
So soon. Maybe when they hit college, when the youngest hits college, perhaps?
My daughter's looking at college, and my son's not too far off. So he's in 10th grade, so we got a couple years for that. But like I said, they're into sports, and I wouldn't want to miss that. So that's
I totally understand
that.
That's
why I put my stuff off to go do their stuff, and I don't miss the racing. I do miss the racing, but I don't miss not missing the kids' sports.
Yeah, being in the shop Tuesday night instead of at their game or practice or something like that, because that's precious time.
Absolutely.
You know, those teen years and the things you do together and the examples you set is what sets them up for the rest of their life.
Because ultimately it's the experiences with the kids is what we enjoy, and that's what we do.
That's it.
That's kind of what my dad did with me with the racing, and I've enjoyed that with my family. Of all my family that came out, my wife and everybody that's always supported me, it's always was the reason why I stayed into it, even though enjoying racing. But now the kids' sports is what I enjoy.
Okay.
And if they're not doing sports, just hanging out and traveling and vacationing with them.
Okay. Let's play what if here.
Okay.
Let's say that we did decide that we're going to race next year, and you were putting together kind of a little resume, almost like something for sponsors. What would you list as your biggest accomplishments? What are you most proud of that you've done?
I mean, definitely my 2 championships in sportsman back-to-back.
Oh, it was back-to-back, even better.
Back-to-back, yeah. You know, tour wins, I don't know how many there are, but the Rolling Wheels wins are probably one of my featured wins that I've always had. You know, that used to be prestigious to win at Rolling Wheels.
Yeah, it was. Yeah.
You know, you used to get 40, 50, 60, 70 cars at some points, and to win those races, you know, it was an accomplishment, you know, so that's probably my main. You know, of course, I do have a big block win at Canandaigua, which I'm proud of.
Yeah.
You know, but
they don't give those away.
They don't give them away. Not at the Land of Legends.
No, they don't.
It's a tough place to win at.
Yeah, because in 16, 17, 18, you were racing against a lot of big drivers back then.
Yeah.
Both the Johnsons and everybody else. So, and Justin and everybody's. Gary Tompkins. So, yeah. So that means a lot.
It is. It was one of my definitely one of my top accomplishments. That's always what I had wanted to do, and once you get it, but you know, to get back into big block, not full time, is tough. And I dabbled with it, you know, intermittently, you know, when the kids weren't, but it just
that doesn't work, does it?
It just doesn't work.
Because everybody you're racing against racing once or twice a week, and you're racing once a month.
Yes.
It's just like a bowling league or something.
Yeah.
The muscle memory and stuff comes back. So,
Yeah.
okay.
Yep.
Well, it's good to see you, man.
It's good to see
nice
you too,
to
and I
connect
appreciate
again.
catching
And
up with you.
yeah, as soon as I saw your smile, it just took me a minute to.
It's been a little bit, but
yeah,
I'm not out of the wayside.
But I saw the smile. I was like, I know this guy. I just can't place the
many years,
everything.
Many
So
years together.
if something changes, you let me know,
I will.
and I'll help you break the story when it happens. How's
Awesome.
that? All right.
Appreciate it.
I'll get the
Thanks,
scoop,
Doug.
right?
Absolutely.
Good to see you, Dan Wiesner again. Will he be back? We'll have to find out. I have a feeling it's more towards the yes than the no on that one. Take care of yourself, man.
Yes,
Thank you.
Thanks, Doug. Appreciate it.